Are you looking for an easy way to capture your phone screen with audio for your live streams? Do you want those captures to be lag-free? Well, me too.
Sure, but it's probably gonna have one of those watermarks on the screen that you have to pay a monthly fee to remove.
Not this one, Carl. It's totally free and it works on Android and iPhone to connect to your PC. And coming this July, it's gonna be on Mac as well.
Sounds way too good to be true.
Well, Carl, seeing is believing, so let me show you how this works. There are a couple of installs that we have to do to get this working. One on the phone and one on your PC. They aren't difficult at all, so let me show you how to do it. This right here is the location for the download and install. It's very, very simple. The links are in the description down below, so you can go ahead and download it at the same time as I'm doing it, install it, and check it out so you can follow along with the video. So all you have to do is click download now. It's gonna go to your download location. You can see it is not a very big file. Once it is downloaded, we just double click it here. We get the administrative prompt and we just click yes. Comes up like this. You can select the language that you'd like it installed in, click install, and just follow through the prompts. It takes a couple of moments and then it is fully installed on your system. Once it's fully installed on your system, all you have to do is go to your desktop and double click Prism Live Studio. It'll take a few moments to run through a couple of checks, and boom, we are in Prism Live Studio. Pretty simple to install this. We have one more install. Let's go to the phone. We're gonna use an iPhone for this, but it works exactly the same as Android. The only difference is you're gonna go to the Play Store on Android. On the iPhone, we're gonna go to the App Store. Really, that's the only difference. I'm not even kidding. We're gonna go ahead and click search, and we're gonna search for Prism. And we can click the Prism Live Studio. Of course, Streamlabs is the first one that comes up. Don't ask me why. We're gonna pick Prism Live Streaming. It's the one with the triangle that you see right here. Mine says open because of course it's already installed and configured. Yours is going to say install. You just click on install and it installs like any other application. For the iPhone, you might have to double click it or put in your iTunes password or whatever it is. But the app is totally free. And as you can see, there's not even a warning for anything on here that says that there's add-on expenses or anything like that. It is totally 100% free. There's nothing you'll ever have to pay for on here. So once you get it installed, we're ready to check this out.
So far, that was pretty easy, but sure it gets harder from here.
Why do you always think the worst in every situation?
In my experience, there's always a catch. Always.
Not here. There is no catch. Let me show you how easy it is to get this working. Let's set this up here in Prism on the computer first. So we're gonna go ahead and click the plus, and I'm gonna add a Prism camera so you guys can actually see me. That is the camera, and we're gonna go down here to the bottom, and we're gonna use a custom audio device. I'm gonna select the audio device that I want so we get the right audio in here. Then I'm gonna click virtual background settings. We're gonna remove the background, click OK, and just make this small. So now you can see me and my phone. How nice. So the next thing we want to do is bring our phone image in here. We're going to click the plus and we're going to go to Prism Mobile, and we're going to click OK, and it's just a QR code. We're going to connect with Wi-Fi. The USB is coming soon, and we're going to want to do this with video and audio so we get the audio for our game. So now we have to go into our phone here and get this up. All right, so we're gonna go and scroll over here until we find our Prism Mobile. And there we go. Now, it'll probably come up, it'll be live like this, so you can see my picture there and all that stuff. Down at the bottom, you've got Connect, Live, Video, and Photo. We're gonna go to Connect. And you can see it's looking for that QR code. So all we have to do is point it at the QR code on the computer. I have a lot of external lights, so it's kind of unhappy. Once we do that, then we have our little prompt that comes up here that says camera. So we can add our camera into Prism Live Studio, or we have screen, which is what we want. And that's going to share our screen with Prism Live Studio. We also have a VTuber thing, which is super awesome. But we're going to go with screen here. And we're going to go ahead and click connect. And we just select Prism Live Studio and start. And then it counts down. And boom, we are broadcasting. And what I'm going to do is turn this over to the side like that. And we can take this right here and embiggen it. And we'll just go ahead and get us on the side here. And we're going to go to a game so I can show you how this works. Turn down that audio because we're getting it over there. And we'll move this below here. There we go. And then we can just tap the screen. Thumbs up. Everything is working exactly as it's supposed to.
So when you say load, you mean less time than it takes to get a beverage from the fridge?
Actually, I mean no lag. I'm using it here on Wi-Fi and you can see that it's nearly immediate. And it won't be long before you can use the USB cable for even less delay. Obviously, the closer you are to the Wi-Fi hub, the less delay there's going to be. But I'm on a different floor from the hub and there's almost no delay. It's really easy with good Wi-Fi and you won't notice any delay.
Speaking of delays, did you get a package for me today?
Nothing came for you, Carl. Why? Are you expecting something?
Oh, it's nothing. Just a bag of oregano.
Well, I see. I didn't know you liked seasoning on your food. Could I pick some up maybe at the grocery store?
No thanks. It's okay. I'll wait. I only use the best organic stuff.
Oh, I see. Okay then. If you want to see how to use Prism to be a VTuber and even create your own avatar, check this video out. Big thanks to Prism Live Studio for sponsoring this video. I couldn't possibly do it without them or you. So thanks. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better live streamer or YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. That is Carl the Cat.
Yo.
Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. And I'll see you in the next one.